from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would.
Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because I filmed one of my favorite videos, DIY room decor. But not just any DIYs, the best DIYs, the quickest DIYs, and also super cheap DIYs. So like, I got you. Because let's be real, who is trying to spend like $40 or $50 on a pillow? Not me. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys like seeing DIYs. I personally love filming DIY videos, so if you guys want to see them, let me know. I'd be happy to film more. So give it a thumbs up if you like them. And also in the comment section, let me know what your favorite movie is, because I watched all of the Harry Potter movies. Like, is there eight Harry Potter movies in like a week? And I enjoyed it so much that I've started watching them again. No shame. So let me know what your favorite movie is in the comment section, and let's just get into DIYs.
On a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride.
So this first DIY is perfect if you guys wear jewelry, but like you don't really wear jewelry because it's all tangled up in like the bottom of your dresser. Just taking some door handles, a wooden plaque, or just like a random piece of wood and some paint. You want to kick it off by going in with a super thick coat of paint on your wooden plaque or your piece of wood. So obviously I painted mine white, but you guys can go in with your favorite color and paint it whatever color you want. And secondly, you just want to take some doorknobs. I went in for like a mismatch kind of vibe, but you can totally go in and make them all match. If you guys are looking for door handles, you can normally find them at like a hardware store, or you can also find them sometimes at a craft store in the homeware section. So FYI, in case you guys were curious. Moving on, you want to lay out all of your door handles so you can tell like which ones are going to be next to each other before you glue them on. And I glued mine on with hot glue, but if you wanted to make sure it was going to like super stick, you could go in with some E6000. And once it's dry, you are done. You can hang it up on the wall. I just use these like Velcro strips. They're temporary so they don't damage the wall. And you can now hang your jewelry up.
Headlights keep on driving and driving.
So the other day, I was just like minding my own business, doing a little bit of online shopping, and I ended up on Urban Outfitters website, and like no shade to Urban Outfitters because I love Urban Outfitters, but they had a cushion for like $59, and I don't know who is trying to spend $59 on a single pillow, but it inspired me to make a DIY pillowcase because, you know, I'm on a budget. But taking a pillowcase, I just picked this one up from H&M Home. I think it was like under $5 or like $5, something around that. And you also want to take some pom-pom string. I don't know if that's the like technical term for this stuff, but you just want to glue strips of it down onto your pillowcase. As you guys know, I always use hot glue for all of my DIYs, but obviously if you wanted to go in with fabric glue, that would definitely hold up a little bit better in the wash. But you just want to glue strips of it down, and once it's dry, this literally looks like a legitimate pillowcase that you purchased in the store.
From a given disaster. Speed away from the.
I know that I always say that every single DIY is the easiest DIY ever, but I actually feel like this is the easiest DIY I've ever posted on my YouTube channel. So all you guys need is some wooden pant hangers. I got these ones from IKEA, and I think they were like 90 cents each, I want to say. But I also checked online for you guys just in case you don't live near an IKEA. So you can also find them at Target, the Container Store. eBay sells them for like super cheap. So they probably also sell them at like a bunch of other stores. And taking your favorite colors of paint, you just want to coat the wooden part of the coat hangers. I feel like this is also super cute without painting the wooden part, but I wanted to paint it because I like to make things super colorful. And this is where you get to like really personalize it, because you want to print out some prints or like find some prints and slot them in to the pant hanger. And this is like the fun part, because you could totally use quotes. You could find prints off the internet, like Tumblr ones, or you could use photos of you and your friends. And then just hang up your prints and you're basically done. The coolest thing is though, if you guys got sick of the prints that you chose, you could just swap them out super easy in like a month or two.
My head over my back between the jars and bottles.
To be honest, I did not come up with this DIY. My boyfriend Kane did. He just flipped it one day and used these like cops as bookends, and I thought it turned out so cool. So sorry Kane, I'm stealing your DIY idea. All you need though is some fake plants or succulents, some spare cops, and some decorative rocks. Normally these just go in like terrariums, but I'm just gonna pour my rocks directly into my cup and then just like start arranging your succulents and plants in there. Guys, this is literally it. Again, shout out to my boyfriend Kane for coming up with this idea. I feel like it's a really cool way of making your books look more like room decor, so I think it turned out really cool and it's super, super quick and easy.
Hold tight and enjoy the ride. We're going out in style. We're out in the middle of the night and you're there. Come be wild with me, yeah. We're young.
So hopefully guys enjoyed the DIYs. Let me know which one was your favorite. I feel like my fave would be the jewelry wall hanging. Very cute, if I don't say so myself, about my own DIY. But let me know which one was your favorite, and also let me know what your favorite film is. I need recommendations desperately. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!